Green, that's green. You want to try another color? Amanda, stop kissing me. Yeah, put it in and choose another one. What color is that? What color is that? Blue?
Blue.
Good job, blue. Very nice. You want to choose another color?
Blue.
Another blue? There's two blues. Wow, good job.
Pink.
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 Good job, pink. Nice, that's pretty.
That's very pretty.
Now what color? What color is that? Are there too many?
Yeah, two.
Is that purple?
Purple.
Purple. What other color do you want? Do another one? How about yellow? Where's yellow? You see yellow? That's purple. Here you go. Where's yellow? That's green. Do you see one that's a yellow, like Luigi? Yellow. Good job. Good job. That's yellow.
Yeah, two.
Yellow. Good job. Purple.